Welcome to our channel where we explore and showcase the most luxurious and powerful SUVs on the market today. From the latest high-tech features and cutting-edge designs to the most refined and powerful engines, we bring you the top 10 SUVs that define the pinnacle of luxury and performance. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply appreciate the finer things in life, our channel is the perfect destination to discover and explore the most exciting and exclusive SUVs on the market today. So sit back, relax, and join us on a journey through the world of the top 10 SUVs. Number 10, Lincoln Navigator Black Label, $101,710. The Lincoln Navigator Black Label is a luxurious SUV that combines style, comfort, and power. With a starting price of $101,710, this SUV features a sleek and sophisticated exterior design, along with a range of premium interior themes to choose from, each with its own unique color schemes and materials. Under the hood, the Black Label boasts a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering up to 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in its class. This SUV also offers a range of advanced technologies, including a 12-inch touchscreen display, a 14-speaker Revel audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. The Lincoln Navigator Black Label is a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and performance. Number 9, Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR, $131,000. The Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR is a high-performance SUV that offers both luxury and power. With its 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering 575 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, this SUV is one of the most powerful in its class. The exterior of the Range Rover Sport SVR is sleek and athletic, with a dynamic front grille and distinctive side vents, while the interior features premium materials and advanced technologies such as a 10-inch touchscreen display, a 19-speaker Meridian audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. Overall, the Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR is a top choice for those looking for a high-end SUV that delivers both performance and luxury. Number 8, Audi RS Q8, $115,900. The Audi RS Q8 is a luxurious high-performance SUV that offers both power and style. With its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, this SUV is one of the most powerful in its class. The exterior of the Audi RS Q8 is sleek and athletic, with a distinctive front grille and bold lines, while the interior features premium materials and advanced technologies such as a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen display. With advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system, the Audi RS Q8 is also a safe and secure choice for families. Number 7, BMW X7 M50i, $105,900. The BMW X7 M50i is a luxury SUV that offers both power and performance. With its 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, this SUV is one of the most powerful in its class. The exterior of the X7 M50i is bold and muscular, with a distinctive front grille, large air intakes, and 21-inch alloy wheels. The interior features premium materials and advanced technologies, such as a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. The BMW X7 M50i also offers a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it a safe and secure choice for families. Overall, the BMW X7 M50i is a luxurious SUV that delivers both power and style, along with advanced technologies and safety features. Number 6, Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, $182,150. The Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid is a luxurious and high-performance SUV that combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, producing a whopping 670 horsepower and 663 lb-ft of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 183 miles per hour. The Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid features Porsche's all-wheel drive system, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a sleek exterior design with LED headlights and 21-inch alloy wheels. Inside, the cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with premium materials and advanced technologies such as a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a Bose surround sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both luxury and safety in their SUV. Number 5, Range Rover SV Autobiography, $207,900. The Range Rover SV Autobiography is a high-end luxury SUV manufactured by Land Rover. It is a top-of-the-line model that features a powerful engine, advanced technologies, and a luxurious and spacious interior. It is designed for drivers who prioritize comfort, style, and performance. With its advanced suspension system and off-road capabilities, the Range Rover SV Autobiography can handle any terrain with ease, while its advanced safety features ensure a safe and secure driving experience. It is a highly sought-after vehicle that is considered to be one of the most luxurious SUVs in the market. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, $131,750. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, also known as the G-Wagon, is a premium SUV manufactured by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz. It was originally developed for military use, but later evolved into a luxury vehicle for civilian use. The G-Class is known for its iconic boxy design, high-quality materials, and exceptional off-road performance. It features a robust body-on-frame construction, free locking differentials, and a range of powerful engines. The interior of the G-Class is spacious and luxurious, with advanced technologies such as a widescreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. The G-Class is a popular choice for drivers who seek a combination of luxury, style, and ruggedness, making it a versatile vehicle suitable for various purposes. Number 3, Lamborghini Urus, $218,000. The Lamborghini Urus is a high-performance luxury SUV manufactured by the Italian automaker Lamborghini. It is the first SUV produced by Lamborghini since the LM002, which was discontinued in 1993. The Urus features a powerful engine, advanced technologies, and a distinctive exterior design that reflects the brand's sports car heritage. It is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers up to 641 horsepower, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the market. The interior of the Urus is spacious and luxurious, with premium materials and advanced technologies such as a dual touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. The Urus is designed for drivers who prioritize performance, style, and exclusivity, making it a highly sought-after vehicle in the luxury SUV segment. Number 2, Bentley Bentega, $177,000. The Bentley Bentega is a luxury SUV manufactured by the British automaker Bentley. It is the first SUV produced by Bentley, and it combines the brand's reputation for luxury and performance with the practicality and versatility of an SUV. The Bentega features a powerful engine, advanced technologies, and a spacious and luxurious interior that reflects the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. It is equipped with a range of powerful engines, including a W12 engine that delivers up to 626 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in the market. The interior of the Bentega is fitted with high-quality materials, advanced technologies such as a touchscreen infotainment system, and a wide range of customization options to suit the preferences of individual customers. The Bentega is a popular choice for drivers who seek a combination of luxury, performance, and exclusivity, making it a highly sought-after vehicle in the luxury SUV segment. Number 1, RollsRoyce Cullinan, $382,000. The RollsRoyce Cullinan is a luxury SUV manufactured by the British automaker Rolls-Royce. It is the first SUV produced by Rolls-Royce, and it combines the brand's reputation for luxury and craftsmanship with the practicality and versatility of an SUV. The Cullinan features a powerful engine, advanced technologies, and a spacious and luxurious interior that reflects the brand's commitment to excellence and attention to detail. It is equipped with a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that delivers up to 563 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful and refined SUVs in the market. The interior of the Cullinan is fitted with the finest quality materials, advanced technologies such as a touchscreen infotainment system, and a wide range of customization options to suit the preferences of individual customers. The Cullinan is designed for drivers who demand the ultimate in luxury, performance, and exclusivity, making it one of the most sought-after vehicles in the luxury SUV segment. Thank you for watching our channel dedicated to the top 10 SUVs on the market today. We hope you enjoyed our videos and found them informative and entertaining. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, we would love to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on our top 10 SUV picks. And as always, be sure to check out our next video for even more exciting content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.